Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share a story about the importance of consistency and perseverance. In trading, it's not always about making quick profits. Sometimes, it's about building your success one step at a time. This story about an ant might just inspire you to approach trading with patience and discipline. Let's begin. In a quiet meadow, an ant was busy collecting food for the winter. Every day, it carried one tiny grain back to its nest. It was empty fast, and the grain seemed small compared to the massive stockpile it wanted to build. Other animals laughed, saying, "Why are you working so hard for such a small reward? You lines never finish." The ant ignored the taunts and kept working. Day after day, it moved steadily, never taking unnecessary risks and never getting distracted. By the time winter arrived, the ant's nest was full of food, while many of the other animals had nothing and struggled to survive. In trading, small, consistent wins can build up over time, just like the ant's grains of food. While it may be tempting to aim for big, risky trades, focusing on steady, reliable growth often leads to greater success. Tools like SKNX can guide you, but remember, building wealth in trading is about discipline and consistency. Like the ant, take it one step at a time, and you lines see the results.